In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to verify your YouTube channel. Did you just create a YouTube channel and you need to verify it? This video will help you in less than 60 seconds. So you're not going to be able to do this fully on the YouTube app. So you need to go to any browser of your choice, either the Chrome browser or the Safari browser. So for this tutorial, we are just going to go to our Chrome browser and do this to verify our channel. So let's open our Chrome browser. So once you open up your Chrome browser, it's gonna take you here. So what I want you to do here, I want you to tap on the search. So once you tap on the search, I want you to put in this. Just put in www.youtube.com/verify. I will take it again. Go to www.youtube.com/verify. Once you put in that, I want you to tap on go on search. So once you tap on that, it will take you to a place where you can put in your Gmail that is associated to your channel and your password, so that you take you to the verification page without going back and forth. So as you can see, this will take you to your YouTube channel. If this does not take you to your YouTube channel, so what you need to do is just to put in your Gmail that is associated with your YouTube channel and your password, and it will take you to this page. So as you can see on this page, what I want you to do is I want you to tap on text mean the verification code. So you want to select your country. So if you select your country, you want to type in what is your phone number. You want to type in your phone number here. So once you type in your phone number, if you check on that, you're going to see next. You want to tap on next. So once you tap on next, they are going to send code, 6 verification code. So you just want to put in that code and your channel will be verified very, very fast and easily. So, but quick thing before you go, quick one, if you don't receive the code, you can use the call me with an automated voice message. So if you are having issue with your network, so you don't get the code, this is what you can do. You can request them to call you on your mobile phone. Just make sure that your phone number that you put here is available. So guys, this is how you can actually verify your channel, and so that you'll be able to enjoy the basic features and the advanced features on YouTube. Guys, I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.